Welcome to Mini Bike Madness. I'm Jeff.
I'm Ryan.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Tyson. That's good enough.
All right. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy. Bracket. The other bracket. And then the hardware and such.
Sweet.
And then my header.
Nice.
My air cleaner. My muffler.
Nice.
My carburetor.
Oh, 22 mil?
Yup.
No, that's
24.
24?
mil.
Oh.
That's not McKinney
And
though.
then this is just my extra pieces and parts.
All right. Set it up, set it up. Speed test, here we go. See what we got.
I'm guessing 20 something.
20 something, yeah.
It is 25 miles per hour.
25. Nice.
Can you see that?
Yep.
Might be the.
That's why his bike sounds so different.
Yeah.
Is this cover is metal.
It's metal and it's screwed on.
Cool, there's that. Alright, I need a pair of pliers.
If there's too many cooks in the kitchen, just let me know and I'll get out the way.
It's a threaded shaft. So when you're doing your Baja
She went to the
upgrade,
grocery store.
it's going to be different than a regular 212.
Okay. Hold those for a second. Let's see those.
Sick.
Chains down.
Cool. I'm going to take this chain off. So where's the link for this one? You want to lift that rear tire up just a little bit?
I can't like that.
Yeah.
Cool. We'll figure it out. And then we'll do some filming and stuff too.
Yep.
Yeah, these are going to work fine.
Yep.
This will be just fine.
It'll be fine. Cars and cameras.
Still videoing?
Yeah.
So you got this kit. If you got the Massimo, it's gonna come with some grade 8 bolts, but they're the wrong thread pitch. So just reuse the factory ones that came with this.
Which came off of your jack shaft right here.
Not an issue.
Okay, now.
Yeah, the one that came with the aftermarket torque converter kit is slightly thicker or wider than the factory one that came off the Massimo. We have to reference the instructions sometimes on this because we've never done a jack shaft on a Massimo before.
Well, it's a torque converter, but with jack shaft style
Right.
outlet cover, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, the torque converter. So washer onto here. Your kit will come with one washer that has a thicker diameter on it. I'm guessing it's going to go onto this later. So don't use this one on the jack shaft. Use one of the 3 that looks like this.
Yeah, and make sure to follow your instruction manual to space these washers out where they need to go.
So, after you put your second washer on after the drive gear, now you got to put the long keyway in, slide it down.
Yep.
After we put that on, then we're going to slide this on. Okay, well, it's gonna
rub.
It's gonna have to do what it does.
Who cares?
A lot of mini bikers know this,
Yep.
but some people don't. So
make sure the tapered side is on the outside and your flat side is on against here and on the flat side of
taper
the other
side
body.
facing out,
Yep.
flat side facing engine. Put this joint on there.
If you don't do that, you'll be going through belts like crazy. It's that? Oh, that's cool.
It's like a lug nut, dude.
So it's a lug nut because of the end of this shaft is a threaded shaft.
Let's see if we're gonna test this. Next part,
Explain it to him.
we got to take a Dremel and Dremel out some of this keyway, probably about halfway down.
Okay.
Okay, so what you want to do is, there's a keyway in the middle of this that you need to actually sand flush with the inside diameter so that it fits so that your lock nut can go on the shaft.
This is for the Massimo Warrior because it has a threaded shaft.
Once, so you've got this little keyway, you actually have to, halfway through you have to sand it flush to the inside, right? So that once it goes on here like this, your lug nut screws in all the way flush.
Okay. Cool.
Cool. So then we tighten that up. And then
Remember that big one that I almost
Speedo.
Yep, it's in there.
Alright.
Yeah, it does look faster. It does look faster. Holy crap, he's moving on that thing. Oh, he lost a bolt. Hey, he lost the bolt. He lost the bolt.
The chain guard.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is.
that's like
it is.
100 times better.
Dude, check the speed. Check the speed.
37 miles an hour.
No way. Let me see. Sweet.
Dude, it's way faster.
I can tell
Yeah.
you're flying.
And it doesn't do that thing
Yeah, because it's a
anymore.
torque converter.
No, I won't sell that anymore.
You want to try putting this back
I'm gonna
in?
put that throttle on.
Well, I haven't the phone.
Right. So here, let that
Yeah, I
down.
haven't fallen either.
How did you?
That plastic thing.
So here,
The last time we went.
So yeah, put that on the way you did the other one.
Not
the
fall
same.
goes like. No, falling is like on your bike. Like dumping it is where like you just
so that's
make the
so I
bike
never
fall.
crashed.
Yeah, you never. Well,
You've crashed once, dumped it once, and I've dumped it like 4 times. You?
when you put your stage 1 air filter on, you gotta put a choke adapter on top of this so your choke doesn't fall off while you're riding.
bags running.
And then I gotta tighten it down.
Does this go on over the top? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It holds your choke from coming off.
Gotcha.
Let me just tighten it up a little bit now.
That goes crazy.
Yeah, it really is.
Feels bad.
Hold that fish in that Bro, I never knew Adam Sandler was a baller, man.
Dude, dude.
Goddamn Yamahas and her heels.
I know.
So annoying. I love it because it was one like sentence like he said.
It's like the most random thing.
I'm sorry, I have to mess with you. After they told me the story, I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, I gotta bust your chops a little bit.
No, it's just funny.
So are we gonna change that out now, or are we gonna,
Oh, we're going for it.
we're just gonna do it?
Yeah, if we go for another rip, then it's gonna be too hot.
Actually, It's not bad where it's at. The exhaust is going to stick way far out, so
Oh,
you
let me
might have
see.
to chop it like right before
Oh,
the
that's
bend.
sick looking. Here, let's see.
And then, hold on, let me see.
Thank you.
Let me see.